to my channel. Are you new to car importing and feeling overwhelmed by all the technical terms and jargon? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm explaining the most common car importation terminology to help you navigate the process with confidence. Let's get started. Section 1, Importation Terms. First, let's cover some basic importation terms. Importer: a person or company that brings a car into a country from another country. Exporter: a person or company that sends a car from their country to another country. Customs broker: a person or company that helps clear customs and handles paperwork. Freight forwarder: a person or company that handles shipping and logistics. Section 2, Car Terms. Now let's cover some car-specific terms. VIN, Vehicle Identification Number, a unique 17-digit number that identifies a car. Make, the manufacturer of the car, for example Toyota, Honda. Model, the specific type of car, for example Corolla, Civic. Year, the year the car was manufactured. Mileage, the number of miles the car has been driven. Section 3, Shipping Terms. Next, let's cover some shipping terms. Container, a large box that holds the car during shipping. Ro-ro, roll-on / roll-off, a type of shipping where the car is driven onto a ship. Fob, free on board. The price of the car includes shipping to the port. CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. The price of the car includes shipping, insurance, and customs clearance. Section 4, Customs Terms. Now let's cover some customs terms. Tariff, a tax on imported goods. Duty, a tax on imported goods. Customs clearance, the process of clearing customs and paying duties and taxes. Documentation, the paperwork required for customs clearance. That's it. Now you know the most common car importation terminology. Remember, understanding these terms will help you navigate the importation process with confidence and avoid potential pitfalls. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Burger Auto Market, Lagos, or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper. And importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment, then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks, and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.